Turn raw materials into finished goods. Manufacturing handles bills of materials, assembly runs, and wastage. Watch a live BOM build for artisan chocolate gift boxes. Add craft cardboard, satin ribbon, gold foil labels, and food-grade glue with waste % on each line. Save the recipe. The BOM card appears with every material, quantity, and wastage visible on screen. Run 20 gift boxes through assembly. Preview shows planned use, wastage, and extra waste, then complete production. Production history logs the batch, materials consumed, wastage tracked, and 20 units produced. Inventory updates instantly. Finished gift boxes in stock and raw materials deducted.